Welcome to Spark Learning. In this video, we will solve multiplication problems using the partitioning of numbers. Partitioning is a method that involves breaking larger numbers into smaller parts, making them easier to work with. To do this, we need to use our understanding of place value to see the different values between digits. First, we will multiply a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let's work out what 42 times 5 equals using the partitioning method. We know that 42 is made up of 40 and 2, so we will write them on one side of the calculation. Now we need to multiply both of these numbers by 5. Well, 4 times 5 equals 20, and we simply add on a 0 at the end, so 40 times 5 equals 200, and 2 times 5 equals 10. All that we need to do now is add these two numbers together, and our answer is 210. So 42 times 5 equals 210. Now let's try to multiply a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. We will use partitioning to solve 643 times 4. Again, we need to break down our larger 3-digit number. Using place value, we know that 643 is made up of 6 hundreds, 4 tens, and 3 ones. Now we need to multiply each of these numbers by 4. Well, 6 times 4 is 24, so 600 times 4 is 2,400 because we simply add on 2 extra zeros. 4 times 4 is 16, so 40 times 4 equals 160, and 3 times 4 is 12. Now we add these products together and our answer is 2,572. So 643 times 4 equals 2,572. Let's use the partitioning method to multiply two 2-digit numbers. We will try to solve 28 times 34. Well, 28 can be broken up into 20 and 8, and 34 can be broken up into 30 and 4. Now we need to times 20 by 30 and 20 by 4. We know 2 times 3 is 6, so 20 times 30 is 600 because we add on the 2 extra zeros, and 2 times 4 is 8. So 20 times 4 is 80. Now we will also multiply 8 by both numbers that make up 34. To work out 8 times 30, let's multiply 8 by 3, which equals 24. Then we will add back the extra 0, so 8 times 30 equals 240. And 8 times 4 is 32. All we need to do now is add these products together. 600 plus 240 plus 80 plus 32 equals 952. So 28 times 34 equals 952. Now let's try to multiply a larger 3-digit number by a 2-digit number using partitioning. We will try to solve 517 times 48. To begin, we will break up 517. It can be broken up into 500, 10, and 7. And 48 can be broken up into 40 and 8. First, we will multiply 500 by 40 and by 8. 5 times 4 is 20, so 500 times 40 equals 20,000. And 5 times 8 is 40, so 500 times 8 is 4,000. Next, we will multiply 10 by 40 and by 8. 10 times 4 is 40, so 10 times 40 equals 400, and 10 times 8 is 80. Finally, we will also multiply 7 by 40 and by 8. 7 times 4 is 28, and 7 times 40 is 280, and 7 times 8 is 56. Now that we have multiplied all parts that make up 517 by 48, all we need to do is add the products together to find our answer. We will do this by creating a standard algorithm with the numbers vertically lined up according to their place value. After adding these numbers together, our answer is 24,816. Now it's time for 3 practice problems. Use the partitioning method to solve the multiplication problem on the screen. Pause this video here, and when you have your answer, press play. Okay, so 56 is broken up into 50 and 6. Then we multiply both numbers by 4. 5 times 4 is 20, so 50 times 4 is 200, and 6 times 4 is 24. Now we add these products together, and 56 times 4 is 224. Moving on to the second practice problem. Solve 37 times 42 using the partitioning method. Pause this video and press play when you've worked it out. Alright, 37 is broken up into 30 and 7. 42 is broken up into 40 and 2. We will times 30 by 40 and 30 by 2. 3 times 4 is 12, so 30 times 40 is 1,200. 3 times 2 is 6, so 30 times 2 is 60. Now we will times 7 by 40 and by 2 as well. 7 times 4 is 28, so 7 times 40 is 280, and 7 times 2 is 14. Now we add all of the products together. 1,200 plus 280 plus 60 plus 14 equals 1,554. So 37 times 42 equals 1,554. And finally, try to solve the final practice problem, which is 629 times 38, using the partitioning method. Pause this video here, and when you're ready for the answer, press play. Okay, so we're going to break up 629 into 600s, 20 and 9. We will also break up 38 into 30 and 8. First, we will multiply 600 by 30 and by 8. 6 times 3 is 18, so 600 times 30 is 18,000. 6 times 8 is 48, so 600 times 8 is 4,800. Next, we multiply 20 by 30 and by 8. 2 times 3 is 6, so 20 times 30 is 600, and 2 times 8 is 16, so 20 times 8 is 160. And finally, we will multiply 9 by 30 and by 8 as well. 9 times 3 is 27, so 9 times 30 is 270. And 9 times 8 is 72. Now we will add all the products together. 18,000 plus 4,800 plus 600 plus 270 plus 160 plus 72 equals 23,902. So 629 times 38 is 23,902. And that's how you use the partitioning of numbers to solve larger multi-digit multiplication problems. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more educational videos. Thanks for watching.